this computer. Okay, good afternoon, Ermelinda. Today we will present hotel expression with myself, Nika Eskartini, NPM 075, and you.
Putri class NPM 083.
Okay, today we are going to present a hotel expression. The first expression of reservation. First, making a reservation. The expression, there are 5 expressions for making a reservation. Number 1, I'd like to make a reservation for a room, please. Can I book a room for tomorrow? Yeah. Do you have any vacancies for next month? I'd like to reserve a single room. Could you please check availability for 10th July 2024 or next month? And confirming a reservation will be present by Ermelinda.
I would like to confirm my reservation for 2024. Can you please confirm my booking at the January 24, 2024? Could you send me to confirmation email for my reservation? I just want to make sure my room is booked for dates 24 December. Can you verify that my reservation is in your system? Next.
Next, the expression of welcoming the guest. Please, Ermelinda, read some expression of standard welcome phrases.
Welcome to Bidadari Hotel. How may I assist you today? Good morning and welcome to the Bidadari Hotel. Thank you for you choosing the Bidadari Hotel. How can we help you? We're delighted to have you with us at the Bidadari Hotel. Welcome. We hope you have a pleasant stay with us.
Okay, next, the friendly and personalized greetings. Number 1, welcome to Bidadari Hotel. It's wonderful to have you here. Number 2, good morning. How was your journey to our hotel? Hello, we are glad you choose to stay with us. Do you need any help with your luggage? Hi there, welcome to Bidadari Hotel. Is there anything special we can do to make your stay more comfortable? And there's some expression of welcoming the guests and reservation. And now we will present example of conversation. One second. Okay, I am become a guest and Ermelinda become a receptionist. Good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Bidadari Hotel. How can I assist you with your reservation?
I'd like to book a room for tonight for July 15th to July 17th.
Certainly, let me check the availability for those dates. One moment, please. First, we have several options available. Would you prefer a standard room or deluxe room or a suite?
I'd like to reserve a deluxe room, please.
Excellent choice. Our deluxe room offers a wonderful view of the city. May I have your name and contact information to proceed with the booking?
Sure. My name is Kades Kartini, and my phone number is 0361 555 1234.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I have your reservation for the deluxe room for July 15 to July 17. Would you like to add breakfast to your reservation for an addition $20 per day?
Yes, please add a breakfast.
Great. Your total comes to 400 for the 2 nights, include breakfast. How would you like to pay?
I'll use my credit card. The number is 1234-567-8-901-23456. Expired date in 12-25, and the CVV is 123.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Your reservation is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to Bidadari Hotel on July 15. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, that's the last our presentation. Thank you very much for the attention. Thank you for joining the meeting, Ermelinda. See you.